Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2012 Ford F250. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable before touching anything. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and support the truck with jack stands if you need to work underneath. Keep the new starter and mounting bolts within reach, and have a torque wrench ready for proper fastening. Start by removing any engine covers or splash shields that block access to the starter. This makes the job faster and safer. Label electrical connections with tape so you can reconnect them correctly, and photograph the starter area for reference. Spray stuck bolts with penetrating oil and let it soak while you prepare other tasks. Then use the correct sockets to avoid rounding bolt heads and ensure a clean removal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep small parts organized and prevent spills while you wrench or travel to the parts store. They double as a great way to stash hardware by bolt size. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Unplug the starter electrical connections after you disconnect the battery. Then remove the starter mounting bolts while supporting the unit to avoid sudden drops. Clean the mounting flange and thread holes, then position the new starter and hand start the bolts to ensure proper alignment before torquing. Reconnect cables, clear any tools from the engine bay, reconnect the battery, and start the truck to verify the starter engages smoothly without unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.